In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do multi-city on Google Flights. If you're planning a trip with more than one stop, the multi-city feature is a simple way to build your itinerary without booking separate one-way tickets. Let's walk through it from start to finish. First, open your browser and go to Google Flights. You'll land on the main search page where you normally look for one-way or round-trip fares. At the top right, you'll see an option to sign in. Go ahead and sign in so your searches and price tracking can be saved to your account. If you already see your account listed, choose it, then continue. If you prefer not to sign in, you can still follow along, but signing in helps keep everything organized, especially for multi-city trips. Back on the search page, look for the trip type selector near the top, which usually defaults to round trip. Click it to open the menu, then choose multi-city. This unlocks separate segments so you can add each leg of your journey. Let's set up the first leg. Click into the first From field and start typing your departure city. As suggestions appear, select Manila from the list to lock it in. Next, click into the To field for that same leg, type your destination, and choose Cebu City from the suggestions. If Google prompts you for dates here, pick the dates that match your plan. You can always adjust them later in the calendar. Now move to the next segment. Click into the next city field and confirm the route for your second leg. Type your next destination and select Davao City from the list. Google Flights typically carries over the prior destination as the next origin, so Cebu City should already be set as the starting point for this segment. If not, just type it in. When your cities look correct, click Search. You'll be taken to results that show available options for each leg, with prices that reflect the combined itinerary. From here, you can refine things without changing the course steps you just completed. Adjust dates if you need more time between stops, tweak the number of travelers or cabin class at the top, and use filters like airlines, stops, times, and bags to narrow down choices. Keep an eye on connection times and baggage fees, and compare different dates if your schedule is flexible, since shifting by a day or two can lower your total fare. That's it. You've used Google Flights to build a multi-city trip by signing in, switching from round trip to multi-city, entering Manila to Cebu City, then Cebu City to Davao City, and running a search to see the best options. Enjoy planning your journey.